All right, everybody, today, we've all seen me do these fried shrimp BLTs. Recently, I was in New Orleans, one of my favorite cities in America. We went to a restaurant and they were serving an fried oyster BLT. Now, when I took the first bite, I was like, oh my God, I have to make this. So I'm gonna make a fried oyster BLT. Of course, this Bleu magic, it's amazing, it's going crazy, it sells out fast. Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, the first thing I do when I make my BLTs, my bacon, I'm gonna throw it in my oven, and in about 10, 15 minutes, we'll be ready to fry these oysters. All right, now that our bacon is done, we're gonna fry our oysters. You can find these at any Asian market. Got these from 99 Ranch. They give you a lot for about $20. These are smaller oysters because Sunny does not like big oysters. She doesn't even really like fried oysters. She prefers them raw, but if she eats them fried, they have to be smaller. And they're frozen, which is good because when you fry like unthawed oysters, it's hard to find them in the wet batter. They get real slimy. It's like they disappear. So let's open these. Fry a few extra for myself. Put them in that flour slurry. And then into the dry batter. All right, now they're ready for the grease. We'll just throw them in. All right, now let's build our sandwich. I fried my oysters hard, so it eliminates the sliminess for Sunny. Usually on a BLT, I would use Miracle Whip. Stop acting like you don't use QP.
I love QP.
Okay.
Shit, that beef is law.
Hey, it's still gonna be fire. Still gonna be fire, baby. Do you want me to put some hot honey? Let me build my sandwich, shit. I get it. Add my tomato. Lettuce. Add the bacon. Let's add our oysters. And there you have it. All right.
Y'all, he got me eating something I don't like.
My thing is, how do you eat raw oysters?
I don't know.
But can't eat fried oysters?
I don't know. But the last time we fried them, I said I was going to give it another whirl.
Last time I made an oyster Rockefeller sandwich, it was like an oyster Rockefeller po' boy. It had a lot of bacon, cream spinach, cheese, and she loved it.
I did.
Yeah.
You got video?
Yeah.
You got proof?
Yeah.
I love oysters. I really do.
Today we got the ice blue lemonade. It's that blue raspberry lemonade.
At this point, Kool-Aid, I'm gonna need you to just go on and send us like a lifetime supply and make us an ambassador and Cambro, because we got who else got Kool-Aid in the Cambro?
Come on, man.
If y'all know what a Cambro is this.
It's Tupperware.
This is our picture. This is our ghetto picture. We don't have pictures in our house. We use Cambros.
Keeps it fresh.
Yes, it does.
Take a bite, baby.
You see, I was trying to avoid biting. Yeah, entertainment. And then it's big. He won't even cut it in half with me.
Let me get that.
I like my sandwiches cut in half. All right, here we go, y'all. I hope I don't cut my teeth. See, look, I can't even.
You pull your bang back.
I'm sorry.
See?
Oh my God, Charlie was trying to bite this big motherfucker.
Shit, fire. I need a bite. Yeah, you want another bite? Take another bite. She's taking another bite.
It's good.
Fire. It would have been better with Miracle Whip. I'm not gonna lie. And
That
then
little
I didn't make brown sugar bacon too, so
Oh, you sleeping tonight, huh?
the brown sugar was harder than crack rock.
I can't even open my mouth big enough to bite it. Yeah, you got a big mouth.
Nothing, feel me?
Look at the lips. It's something about when you fry the oyster though, it has like an aftertaste. That's why I don't like. You know, when you eating them raw, you don't taste that.
Because when you
Taste the seed.
when you eat them raw, a lot of people don't chew raw
I
oysters.
use my tongue.
You use your tongue and the top of your mouth.
Yeah.
That's how you eat an oyster raw.
Yeah, I know.
But these,
You gotta
fire.
chew it. You gotta chew that shit.
These are fire. See, I made her a believer. Fried oysters. It would have been better with Miracle Whip or brown sugar bacon to make it a sweet and savory sandwich, but it's still fire. Have you ever had an Oyster BLT? Blue Magic. It's not sold out yet. Get yours.
Oh, it's almost sold out.
It's almost sold out. Okay.
Yeah, it's like 20 bags left.
Okay.
There's only like 22-pound bags left. Black Friday sale, November
Black
29th.
Friday sale.
We're dropping aiolis, only triple threats though.
You can only buy the combo.
And that wet batter that he been talking
The
about,
wet batter, that's dropping for Black Friday. There's gonna be a big percentage off the Blue Magic.
I haven't figured out what percentage I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna show some love or I might do free shipping. I don't know yet. I gotta think about it.
Now, wet batter, this is the promotion, the promotion only batch. I'm only doing 50. They're gonna sell out fast. And each order is coming with a bottle of our Blue Rooster. It's our sweet heat.
Now that shit fire.
Fire. So, like I said, Black Friday, be on the lookout for that. Let me know in the comments if you ever had one of these sandwiches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga Enjoy.